Welcome back to Tech Spotlight, guys. Today I'm actually making a video for this comment right here. They're looking for printers, so I compiled the top 5 printer deals available on Amazon right now. Let's check it out. Alright, so the first deal on this list, we've got the Canon Pixma TS6420A. This is an all-in-one wireless inkjet printer. Does work with Alexa as well, and does use a couple different apps that you can print from your phone. So this is just your pretty basic printer that you can also scan and copy documents from as well. You'll see the dimensions up on the screen right here. This will print up to 13 items per minute, which is going to be roughly one page every like 8 seconds. Uses 2 ink cartridges. You can print from mobile. You can use the Canon app. You can use Apple AirPrint, or you can use the Mopria app as well. So I felt that this one provided some good value for being a nice basic printer. You can see right here it's got over 4,300 ratings and reviews, and over 59% of those are 5 stars. And as well, you can see right here that over 3,000 have been bought the past month. The current deal on this, guys, from $129.99, you can pick this up right now for 59 bucks. So if you might be looking for just something very basic, this would be a great printer option. Alright, next up on the list we got the HP Envy 6055E. This is a wireless color inkjet printer. Print, copy, scan function, simple setup. Good printer for home. Again, depends on what use you guys are going to have for this. Now on this one, print up to 10 pages per minute in black, 7 pages per minute in color, mobile and wireless printing. And you can also do auto two-sided and borderless printing. And you can set up the printer with the HP Smart app. Let's see what else. I have an HP printer myself. The HP Smart app is pretty easy for printing. Let's see. So this printer right here has over 12,200 ratings, and of those ratings, 58% of those reviews are 5-star reviews. You can see right here over 6,000 bought in the past month, and the current deal on this, from $129.99, you can pick it up right now for $79.99. So basically 80 bucks for this one. All right, next up we've got the HP Officejet 8015E wireless color all-in-one printer. 6 months of instant ink included, which is a replenishment service. So when the printer gets low on ink, they'll automatically send you new ink right to your door. And so let's check this one out. So print up to 18 pages per minute print up to 18 pages per minute in black, 10 pages per minute in color, mobile and wireless printing, auto document feeder, so it's got a reserve tray, auto two-sided and borderless printing, and again, you can set it up using the HP app that you can print from. You'll see the dimensions up on the screen right here. 2.2 inch touchscreen, again the auto document feeder, flatbed scanner, print from any device, 225 sheet input tray, 60 sheet output tray, 6 months of ink included with the HP Plus action during setup. Let's see, so this one uses a 4 cartridge system, just so you're aware. So 4 cartridges would be needed to print in color, black and white. Now current deal on this, over 7,200 ratings, and 62% of those ratings were 5 stars. Over 20,000 of these printers bought in the past month. And the current deal on this, from $159.99, you can pick it up right now for $99.99. So basically 100 bucks for a upgraded printer. Next one, we've got the HP Smart Tank 5101 wireless all-in-one printer. 2 years of ink included. Print, copy, scan functions, best for home. And this one has a refillable ink tank, so you can see that you would actually have bottles of ink that you would put into reserve right there. So on this one, print up to 12 pages per minute in black, 5 pages per minute in color, 2 years of ink included. Let's see, 100 sheet input tray, mess-free 15-second ink refill, HP Wolf Essential Security. You can see the dimensions up on the screen right here. So So it's not a really big printer. Let's see, low on ink sensor. Again, pretty much what you would expect. Current deal on this one, guys, 3,600 ratings. Of those, 62% of those were 5-star reviews. Over 3,000 bought in the past month. And the current deal on this, from $249.99, you can pick it up right now for $179.99. So pretty good savings there. And last one on the list, we've got the Canon Pixma G6020 all-in-one super tank wireless printer. Copier and scan with mobile printing. Can print color in black and white. Works with Alexa. So again, this is one that you will have the actual bottles of ink that you would use to refill. So this shows that you can print up to 6,000 black pages and 7,700 in color with just a single set of inks. So good supply there. Let's see, 13 items per minute black and 6.8 items per minute in color. Auto two-sided capability. So you got the rear tray can hold 100 sheets. The bottom cassette holds 250 sheets. So you can have a 350 sheet total for reserve. Auto two-sided printing. Let's see what else. On this one, you also get access to you can print from the Canon app. You can Apple Air Printer. You can use the Mopria app as well that you can print from. And that's pretty much it on this one. So on this one, over 3,700 ratings. Of those, 61% are 5-star reviews, and over 1,000 bought in the past month. The current deal on this one, from $299.99, you can pick it up right now for $199.99, to save yourself $100. And that would be the deal on the Canon Pixma G6020. So there you have it. There's the top 5 printer deals that I would suggest that are going on Amazon right now, that way you can get yourself a printer and save yourself some money. So again, I want to thank you for the comment. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. So guys, this was Tech Spotlight. Have an absolutely amazing day. I'll see you in the next video.